Hi, honey.
Hi.
How was your Valentine's Day dinner?
Wonderful.
Good? Oh. Snowed a lot tonight. Why, hello! Did you miss us? Snowy paws.
Coming in.
I don't want you to see the mess that's on the table behind me, but this was the outfit for our day late Valentine's Day. Max is being festive too in his little reddish maroonsy jacket. Happy V-Day!
Happy belated.
Oh my goodness, you guys. It is so snowing. I cannot believe how much it snowed this morning. Holy. You need so much fun. Okay, are you eating dirt? Please don't do that. Snow pup, thriving. Hey, why don't you drop that? That is dirt in your mouth. Drop it. Good boy. Okay. Ew. Look at how high the snow is. Up to your knees. Guys, look at these paws go. I can't even keep up. We've taken a break. A stick break. You are gonna be covered in snow. Crazy, man. Someone's tired while they're playing in the snow this morning. He even met a new dog, you guys, down the street, and they ran around and played. And it was so fun.
Bob-oed.
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 And we're off.
Thing I shoveled this driveway.
Yeah, good thing it's so snowy. Okay, sorry it's dark out, you guys. It's later. Oh, who's parked at our house? Hang on. Okay. Now, I can tell you guys, we are going to the movies. We've actually never been to the movies here, I don't think. Have we? No. We actually haven't been to the movies in like years, I feel like. I can't even remember the last movie that we saw in theater, you know?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see Anyone But You, and I'm very excited. We've heard good things. Then I was kind of like, oh, like, is that like, oh, we gotta see it in theaters? Like, just wait till it comes out, watch at home, comfy, cozy. But then my friend saw it yesterday and was like, no, it's so good, you have to go see it. Have you guys seen it? We're so late on this bandwagon. I feel like it's been out for a while, but we're gonna go watch it. Brought some snacks, comfy blankie. Actually, if you guys saw my Instagram reel and TikTok with Unreal snacks, they're chocolate almond butter cups, peanut butter cups, coconut bars. They're so good. Max is saying that because the TikTok and reel I did with them, I think that was in the brief. Like, you could say the flavors are rich and creamy. Rich and creamy, huh? Here we are. Woo.
Pick good seats.
I think so.
We have a special
Just in time.
after the credits, so stick around. I think it'll be worth it.
Woo. What'd you think?
Great flex.
It's the next morning, and actually I just wanted to shout out the sponsor of this video right here. Thank you so much, Helix Sleep, for sponsoring this video. It's funny, you guys, because I actually filmed this little clip that I'll put right here before I left for New Jersey last, since I thought we were gonna be there longer. Actually though, if you're in the market for a new mattress, listen to what I have to say, because I've actually gotten so many DMs from you guys being like, thank you so much for your recommendation on a Helix Sleep mattress and how much you guys love yours, the models that you are matched to, and that you've never slept better, you've never fallen asleep faster, stayed asleep longer, just like overall quality of sleep. So I love getting those messages from you guys, because I definitely felt that too when we first got our Helix Sleep match. And last thing I want to say right here is they're actually having a President's Day sale. I want to make sure you guys are aware because typically I'll have like 20% off for you guys, but for President's Day sale only going on right now, they're doing 25% off and 2 free pillows. So definitely take advantage. If you've been thinking about it, maybe this is your sign. I'm gonna insert the footage right here. Let me just tell you first and foremost, my number one favorite thing about I'm not kidding. Anyone that knows me, ask my friends or my family. Number one favorite thing about our house here in Utica for this hockey season is our bed. Like literally when I'm anywhere else, I'm like, I actually just want to be in this bed specifically. I think we have this exact same mattress on the Cape, but I think something with the pitched ceiling right there makes it feel so cozy. I was saying that in a vlog and you guys were like, it's definitely the pitched. The hotel bed mattress in New Jersey doesn't even come close to comparing it to this cloud that I sleep on here. So if you haven't paid attention, when I showed you guys before. Also just washed my sheets as well. So even more so, this bed is just thriving right now, the coziest ever. Okay, let's go like this so you can see what makes it actually the comfiest bed in the whole wide world is this mattress, okay? Specifically, this style, I've never slept on a comfier mattress in my whole entire life. This is the Helix Sleep Midnight Luxe mattress. I've also slept on their Midnight just like standard mattress, but I will say the Luxe I do like a little bit more. This is just like a medium feel mattress that Max and I got matched to because we did their sleep quiz. It just matches you to the perfect mattress for you based on your sleep preferences. We both answered that we like a medium feel, that we like sleeping on our side. Typically we're side sleepers, rarely wake up with back pain. You just answer questions like that, and I can insert footage right here of when we first moved in here and unboxed our mattress. It just comes so convenient right to your door, like vacuum packed, and just kind of expands and comes to life, and it makes it so convenient. We slept on the Helix Midnight Luxe mattress since September of 2020, so over 3 years now. There he is. I actually remember when we first got it, there was a little issue where I was sleeping like 11 hours every night. I'm not even kidding. That's how comfy it is. I'm like, okay, I think this is a little bit too comfortable because I'm having a very big issue of getting out of bed in the morning. But yes, maybe it's the Midnight for you, or maybe it's one of their other models that will be matched to you based on your sleep preferences when you take their sleep quiz. I just cannot recommend enough. I know they actually have a 100-night sleep trial to make sure that you like your mattress, and if you don't, which you will, but if you don't, they would pick it up for free, no worries. Also free shipping within the US. They also have flexible payment plans, financing options, and a 10-year warranty on all their mattresses. So I just cannot say enough good things. They're actually unreal and like the best mattresses ever. Again, don't forget helixsleep.com/Gretchen for 25% off a mattress and 2 free pillows. Now we've got some business to attend to that I have been putting off. I don't even want to show you guys. Okay. I don't know what's going on right now. There's like lights all along here. Maybe these light bulbs went out because only this one is on. It looks like a spotlight. What's happening? Okay, I was gonna say, I don't know how we always end up so like behind on laundry and it ends up snowballing into a big huge thing, but it usually isn't this bad. It's because we recently got back from New Jersey, do no laundry there, and had like legit 6 loads to do when we got back. We had so many dirty clothes, so I feel like we're still kind of playing catch up on that. And actually what's so bad right now is I can't even remember. I think all of this is clean. I think I washed and dried it and then was too lazy to fold it and like threw it up on top. So we need to have a big folding party. This is when you know it's bad, when you just leave it up here. And like this morning I'm like, oh, I want like a sweatshirt to throw over. So I'm like, oh, I think one I want is like in this pile. I'll just take it instead of like folding. So bad. Sometimes I'm so on top of laundry, like doing like a load a day or every other day, like keeping up with it, and then sometimes it's this. But then the reason it's bad is because we have like a huge hamper full of laundry I still have to do, and so many clean clothes folded upstairs I haven't put away. So we're just gonna tackle this together and do a lot of cleaning, tidying together. You're coming with. Along for the ride. Here we go. Okay, before we fold that, let's start this cleaning process over here. this is the part I really have been avoiding showing you guys and taking care of. It's really, really bad. I don't know how it got like this. Let's just show you what we're working with. Here's the before. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm showing you this right now. Ah! I look like a hoarder, you guys. This is so bad. Okay, here's all my dresses in this little clothing rack situation here. Yeah. This is so bad. Okay, we're gonna fix this situation right now. Most of it's clean clothes I just like threw in here when I didn't have time to hang them up. This is our makeshift closet. You guys know we kind of made in this teeny little room. Yeah, organization could have been a lot better, but also we're only here for another 2 months. So this is what we're working with. Okay, here we go. Let's fix this. Here's the after. Whew, I'm sweating. I just hung up stuff for so long. This feels a lot better to be able to see the ground and don't really look over here. You know, it's just, I don't know what else to do. Here's like workout stuff that are just in bins, some more bags. There's like a bin of shoes back there. And that's just where they go because I don't know what else. We've tried so hard. We have like a big rack right here for more hanging stuff, shoes back there, even more shoes on a shoe rack right there, even more shoes right there, bunch of hanging stuff right here. I have a dresser in the other room in another closet. But oh my Lanta, wow, this feels good to have this a bit more organized. I need to get rid of stuff is what this is telling me. I went through some stuff as I was hanging, but yeah, moving out of here is gonna be so hard. I've accumulated so much. Need a big Poshmark moment. Whew, okay, that's it. It's later. I thought we could end this vlog with trying some new skincare that I got that I haven't tried before. It's called Primally Pure, and I was just about to try it out, and I was like, yeah, might as well document, show you guys. Not sponsored by them, but they just sent this over, and so I want to try it out. And I feel like I talk about this all the time. So you guys probably know, maybe you don't know. This lighting is like not good, but I feel like you can see I have the driest skin known to man. Sydney next to me, you guys know, Sydney Adams. She's like, you know, I was just thinking about how your skin's so dry, lips are so dry, stuff like that. Maybe, like, have you ever thought about, because you drink 1 sip of water a day? I'm like, oh, I don't want to hear it. That's probably right. I'm definitely dehydrated. But although that's probably part of it, I try to skip. So I'm always putting Aquaphor on it recently, and I feel like it helps like in the moment, but I don't know if you can see, like, it literally is always peeling right there around my mouth. Max is convinced it's because when I brush my teeth, like 2-3 times a day, obviously, I always have a bunch of toothpaste all around my mouth, and that's like really drying. He's like, keep your toothpaste inside your mouth. I'm like, but I can't. When I brush, it just goes all over. I don't know. So yeah. Anyway, I thought might as well try this stuff out because it seems really like moisturizing. See if this helps. Okay, we've got a plumping cream and an antioxidant balm. Both say use on your face, neck. Yeah. So I don't know which one to try. Maybe a balm. Plumping cream, antioxidant balm. Antioxidant balm sounds like nourishing. Oh yeah, it literally says restore vitamins, protect, repair, rejuvenate skin. That's what I need. It smells really good. It smells, wow. Jojoba oil, plum kernel oil, green coffee oil, beeswax, hibiscus oil, essential oils, lavender. That's what I smell. I feel like it smells like lavender. It smells really good. Okay, let's try this out. Oh yeah, it kind of feels like a lip balm or something. Let's just like put this all over. Make my dry patches go away. Whoa. Yeah, it's like thick, like a balm. Whoa. Can I put this in my face? Wait. Is it just gonna like turn orange? Hang on. Even if I rub it in, oh yeah, then I think we're okay. Honestly, it's probably gonna make me look tan if anything, so I'll take it. Okay, why do I love this? This is my new drunk elephant drop. Because I feel like once it all is rubbed in, it won't be as orange. It'll just... This is so funny. Okay, but why does it feel so... I mean, it kind of feels like Aquaphor, honestly. Let's just like put this all over. See what happens. Wait, who knew this had like a tint? It's like a little makeup moment. I need the tint. My skin is dry and pale. Hasn't seen the sun in ages. Wait, why do I love that? I feel like it literally gave me like a little tint. I was not expecting that it was gonna be like tinted. Okay, love. Wow, that feels really nice and like silky smooth and stuff. Okay, we'll keep you guys updated. Watch this like heals my dry skin later. I'm gonna be like, everyone buy this. Wow, because I haven't really gone like the natural route, so might as well try. I've literally tried everything. I feel like I've done like the thick Cetaphil cream, CeraVe, the Aquaphor, which does help, but like I feel like only in that moment. I don't know. Okay, then we've got a bunch of lip balms that they sent over. This is so fun. It's like a first impressions. Lavender, cocoa, grapefruit, peppermint, creamsicle. Oh, creamsicle. How do I get this open? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, wait, I wanna try this one, but I was just thinking I wanna try peppermint because it kind of I feel like it goes with like the lavender. Kind of is like an essential oil. Okay, the creamsicle one smells so good. Wow, have you guys heard of this brand? Have you tried it before? Okay, peppermint. Oh yeah. That feels so nice. Love. Okay, this kind of smells like the shampoo and conditioner Max always loved. What are the ones that are kind of pepperminty and like tingly? Max, what's that? What's that scent in the shampoo that you like that's like pepperminty and tingly? Beach tree? Oh, tea tree. Tea tree. Beach tree. I was like, what? Tea tree. Yeah, this kind of is like a tea tree effect. Okay, that was so fun. Also, I'm not gonna try now, but a cleansing oil, that'll be fun to take off my makeup. Try that. And then we've got, oh, you know what? This I can try, a soothing mist. Let's see how this goes. Aloe vera, radish root, lavender, blue tansy. Wait, I love that all of this is just like natural. Like you can like read the ingredients. It's refreshing instead of just like a bunch of chemicals. 3 to 5 pumps. Okay, all over face. Ooh, I feel like I'm at like a spa. All this stuff is very like aromatherapy, smelling and feeling. Okay, why do I love that that balm gave me like, I think you can't tell in this lighting, but like a good little color. I mean, I'm still pale, like I'm as pale as ever, but like an all over kind of glow. I don't know. Okay, that was fun. Sorry, I was gonna end this off really quick and then I got to chatting, but you know how it goes. Thanks for trying out some new skincare with me. Cleaning like crazy, tidying up my closet. What else do we do? Oh, the beginning of this vlog was our Valentine's Day dinner. Wow, I've been vlogging a while. Okay, end this off here because it's getting long. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.